Children, let us recall rhyming words. Words that have the same ending sounds are called rhyming words. Children, we all love to sing rhymes, don't we? But did you ever think why they are called so? Because in every rhyme there will be many rhyming words. So children, let us study rhyming words. Let us try to rhyme. Let us try to rhyme. Let us all run and have some fun. Let us all run and have some fun. R-U and run, F-U and fun. They both have the same ending sounds U-N and U-N. So they are rhyming words. Look at my cat. She is so fat. Look at my cat. She is so fat. Cat and fat have the same ending sounds. So they are rhyming words. I am a boy and this is my toy. I am a boy and this is my toy. Boy and toy have the same ending sounds. Oi, O-Y, oi. So they are rhyming words. I wish to eat a fig, nice and big. Fig and big. They both have the same ending sounds, ig, ig. So they are rhyming words. Look at the picture of a fig. Can you see my bed? It is all red. Can you see my bed? It is all red. Bed and red have the same ending sounds, ed, ed. So, bed and red are rhyming words. A-K-E, ache. Children, let us see some more words with the same ending sound, A-K-E, ache. Look at our chef here. He likes to bake. B-A-K-E, bake. B-A-K-E, bake. What a yummy cake. C-A-K-E, cake. C-A-K-E, cake. Children, look at this picture. What is this part called? It is a lake. L-A-K-E, lake. L-A-K-E, lake. Children, see, whenever someone gives us something, we say, thanks. This girl is telling this boy to take this gift. So, what is our next word? Take. T-A-K-E, take. T-A-K-E, take. Bake, cake, lake, take. Look here, children. E-S-T, est. E-S-T, est. Let us see some more words with the same ending sound. E-S-T, est. R-E-S-T, rest. R-E-S-T, rest. Look at this boy resting on this mat. Now look at this picture, children. What is this boy doing? He is writing a test. T-E-S-T, test. T-E-S-T, test. N-E-S-T, nest. N-E-S-T, nest. Look here for the picture, children. Picture of a bird's nest. Now, P-E-S-T, pest. P-E-S-T, pest. Children, some organisms or animals are harmful to us. They are called as pests. I will show you one common pest. See, cockroach. It is a pest. P-E-S-T, pest. rest, nest, test, pest. Children, we have already studied this. Ing is ing. Ing, ing. Look at this. What is this? It is a ring. R-I-N-G, ring. R-I-N-G, ring. Look at this bird. How can it fly? With the help of its wings. This is one wing and this is another wing. So, W-I-N-G, wing. W-I-N-G, wing. Look here. Who's this? He's a king. K-I-N-G, king. K-I-N-G, king. These children like to sing. S-I-N-G, sing. S-I-N-G, sing. Ring, wing, king and sing. All are ing rhyming words. Children, look at this word now. O-L-D, old. O-L-D, old. Let us learn some rhyming words which have the same ending sound. O-L-D, old. Look at this, children. Look at this picture. What are they? They are coins made up of gold. G-O-L-D, gold. G-O-L-D, gold. Look here. This boy is hiding behind the snowman and he's playing with the snow. Children, snow will be very cold. C-O-L-D, cold. C-O-L-D, cold. Children, we hold things using our hands, with the help of our hands. So, H-O-L-D, hold. H-O-L-D, hold. Children, someone is folding a paper. So, our next rhyming word is fold. F-O-L-D, fold. F-O-L-D, fold. So, children, gold, cold, hold, fold. All have the same ending sound, O-L-D, old. So, children, U-M-P, ump. U-M-P, ump. Look at this boy. He fell down and he hurt his forehead and now there is a bump on his forehead. So, bump is our next word. B-U-M-P, bump. B-U-M-P, bump. So, children, be careful while playing. Look at this boy, he is jumping. So, jump is our next word. J-U-M-P, jump. J-U-M-P, jump. Children, look at this picture. This is the picture of a camel. And this part of the camel is called as hump. So, H-U-M-P, hump. H-U-M-P, hump. Children, we should always throw trash into the trash bin. Okay, children? We call it as dumping. So, let us read the word. D-U-M-P, dump. D-U-M-P, dump. Bump, jump, hump, dump. So children, clap your hands together. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Children, we have learned so many rhyming words today. Children, I have already shown you this worksheet. Here you will write your name, and here you will write your section, and here you will write the date. Circle the correct rhyming words. This is our heading. Circle the correct rhyming words. Children, there are 6 columns here. In the first column, numbers are written. Rest of the columns, words are written. But in the second column, can you see these arrows, pointed arrows towards the right hand side? Yes. Children, you have to read this word carefully and then search along the row one after other for the rhyming word. Let us start with the first example. H-I-D-E, hide. H-O-L-E, hole. No, it is not a rhyming word. R-I-D-E, ride. Yes, it rhymes with the word hide. So I'll put a circle around this word. Now let us move to the next word. S-A-D, sad. No. S-I-D-E, side. Yes, this rhymes with this word. So we will go and draw a circle. Now let us go to the second example. G-O-L-D, gold. F-I-L-L, fill. No, it doesn't rhyme with gold. G-A-T-E, gate. No. T-O-L-D, told. Yes, this rhymes with this word. So we will go and draw a circle here. Now, let us move to the next word. S-O-L-D, sold. This also rhymes with this word. So we will go and draw a circle around this word. So children, I have done 2 examples for you. Remaining 4 you have to do on your own. So children, I hope you have enjoyed today's session. Children, please stay indoor to be safe and sound. Children, be good and do good. Take care, children. I'll meet you in the next class. Bye, children. Children, this is our grammar worksheet and there are 6 examples to be done. I will be showing you 2 examples in the next slide and let us see how to do it.